Do you ever get that afternoon slump where your energy crashes and your brain feels foggy? Your blood sugar plummets, leaving you craving anything sweet to get a quick fix. Well, I'm here to tell you there's a better way. There's a hidden treasure in the kitchen, a recipe that can boost your energy instantly, balance your blood sugar, and taste like $1,000,000. It's not some magic potion, it's real food packed with the power of nature. Blood sugar blues? This recipe is the cure. I used to be a slave to the blood sugar roller coaster. I'd chug coffee, reach for sugary snacks, and feel even worse in the long run. But then I discovered this amazing recipe. It's not just delicious, it's a game changer for anyone struggling with blood sugar spikes and crashes. This recipe is all about smart carbs and healthy fats. We're talking fiber-rich greens, protein-packed nuts, and antioxidant-bursting berries. These ingredients work together to slow down the release of sugar into your bloodstream, keeping your energy levels stable and your cravings at bay. Plus, they're packed with vitamins, minerals, and good fats that nourish your body from the inside out. Okay, let's get cooking. This recipe is super easy to make, perfect for busy mornings or quick lunches. Start with a base of leafy greens: spinach, kale, arugula. Choose your favorite. These greens are loaded with fiber and essential nutrients. Add some protein power. Quinoa, chickpeas, lentils, or chopped nuts will keep you feeling full and satisfied. Healthy fats for the win. Drizzle in some olive oil, avocado oil, or sprinkle on some chia seeds or flax seeds. These fats slow down digestion and keep your blood sugar happy. Time for the flavor fiesta. Load up on your favorite fruits and veggies. Berries, chopped apple, mango, cucumber, bell peppers. The possibilities are endless. Don't forget the dressing. A simple vinaigrette with lemon juice, olive oil, and a touch of herbs will tie everything together. See? Simple, fresh, and bursting with goodness. You can customize this recipe to your taste and dietary needs. Make it vegan, gluten-free, or add a protein like grilled chicken or salmon for an extra boost.